all these guys put me on the stage. Ah, ladies and gentlemen, we have Saif Ali Khan. Wah! We have Preeti Zinta. We have Sushmita Sen. They were good stars at the time. We have to go right down.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Maa Kasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, Maa Kasam, ye sach hai.
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है माँ कसम भाई ताचारा रहे भाईचारा माँ कसम जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ
Next up, we have a very special guest.
And
for that, we will make other announcements.
Okay, so this guest has been on the podcast but not been on the podcast. So we were like, okay, we gotta get him on stage now, finally.
Adar is on the podcast because of the guest.
Yes. So this is my big boss. Please welcome Abu Abu!
Yes! Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going!
माँ कसम मजा आ गया यार माँ कसम it had to be filmy. I can't be otherwise.
Yes.
There are 3-4 generations of only films. What did you expect?
Yeah.
बचपन
And I
गुजरा
destroyed it.
माँ कसम तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा माँ कसम क्या ऑडियंस है यार मजा आ गया
अबू आपको पता ना हम आपको अबू अबू बोलते हैं.
ठीक है मगर अब्बू जो नाम है ना बड़ा डेंजरस नाम है कहीं आप अब्बू टाइप कर लो ना you'll see all the terrorists in the world every terrorist today I have realized कि ये जो नाम है ना नेगेटिव था मेरे लिए इसके लिए करियर इतनी ऊंची नहीं गई जितनी अन्नू की गई अन्नू बन गया मैं रह गया मैं ठीक रह गया तो मैं शोज करने लग गया and I kept on doing shows.
Ankit, could you just explain like these shows that you do, right? Like what are the names of the shows? Like what type of Bollywood show is this?
Like there was a show which I did recently which had a lot of problems. Not recently, but 20 years back. Yeah? And that was the last Bollywood show for a world tour. The world tour stopped happening after 2005. I should take actors, make packages. Like this package had Akshay Kumar, Preeti Zinta, Sushmita Sen, Saif Ali Khan and Salila Jaitley. And it's Abu Malik. Production, written, directed and Abu Malik show. And we are going all over the world. Now these shows were selling and this ended in 2004-05 because after that the actors' prices became phenomenal. Till then I was a paymaster. So this show we did called the Akshay Kumar Night and we successfully did it everywhere till we reached a point when we had to reach Dallas. Now the visa was expiring on 27th of August. And it is said that if it is expiring you can extend it by a day by applying on the internet. We applied. So he had a trader. They decided to go to Bahamas. And this is an Akshay Kumar live in concert. And it really crosses around $1 million in a night. And things were like, it's okay. He'll come back on 27th morning. Adar is also there with me in Dallas. I get a call, I'm not allowed to come into the country. I'm stuck. Then what's happened? It seems, though Bahamas is in the United States, it's a territory. You can't apply for a valid visa if you're out of this country. They consider it out of the country. Now he's not allowed to come inside. So he rings me up saying, मैं क्या करूँ? I ring up the mayor and all. I did all that, but कुछ हुआ नहीं. So we are stuck. So now Preeti Zinta, Saif, all open the door and rush in. Abu, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? What's going to happen? But nothing's going to happen. We'll do a show without Akshay Kumar. How can you do an Akshay Kumar live in concert without Akshay Kumar? It's like we all are there and we are there, nobody is there and all of the audience is there and somebody like me comes and says, I'm doing the show. Oh, what the fuck are you doing here? You know, we wanted Adar Malik, we wanted all these guys. So abhi main baitha hu, to Adar is locked in the toilet in the same room.
Okay, so this is what happened. Okay, we got Akshay's phone call and both of us are woken up in a panic. Okay, my father is on the phone at 7 o'clock in the morning. And the news has spread to Saif Ali Khan and all these people. And I'm like, okay, अब सुबह उठी गए तो टॉयलेट भी जाते हैं. अब मैं टॉयलेट में गया हूँ and then I hear the door knock and I hear wow and he walks in. Wow, what the fuck did Akshay do? अरे यार क्या चल रहा है यार? अब ये लोग बात कर रहे हैं. Now I am eavesdropping, but now my pants are also down. And मैं बैठा हूँ वहाँ पे.
बाथरूम के अंदर?
मैं बाथरूम के अंदर पॉट पे बैठा हूँ. And they're talking and everybody's screaming, "Arey Akshay nahi aaya, Akshay nahi aaya." मैं pot के ऊपर ही
When
बैठा
I
हूँ.
was not come for show, I coming for show. I got training with my trainer.
So, अभी 20 minute निकल गया and I'm eavesdropping. Now I've crossed the threshold where I can come out of the toilet with dignity. So now I'm sitting and hoping Saif Ali Khan doesn't have to pee. And then, yeah, how he
Then
handles
this goes
the
on,
situation.
then Preeti Zinta comes in, everybody. Now there's a law. If you're going to hold a show in the evening, the changed circumstances have to be brought in front of the audience. First to the promoter. Promoter has to accept the changed circumstances to hold the show. Otherwise, he can put a legal case on all of us. The entire gang. Everybody get a letter for $1 million, etc. सबकी बैंड बजी हुई है. तो उसको कन्विंस किया. लड़कियों ने बिठा के कन्विंस किया प्रीति से लेट्स होल्ड द शो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस वी पुट अप अ बोर्ड अक्षय कुमार इज नॉट देयर एंड दिस एंड दैट
ऐसा पोस्टर
And,
अक्षय का मुंह ऐसा काला कर
अभी
दिया.
अभी ये डैलस में हो रहा है ये कहीं हिंदुस्तान के आज शो या गांव का भी शो है समथिंग हैपेंड लाइक दैट इन इंडिया आल्सो तो यहाँ तो मैनेज हो जाता है अभी वो मैनेज कैसे होगा नाउ देयर इज अ थिंग इवन आफ्टर पुटिंग दैट बोर्ड इफ यू स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पीपल यू हैव टू अगेन रिपीट द होल थिंग and tell them that you can just go out and collect your money. No ticket $100 ka. Us time pe it is lot. It's expensive. So anyway, all these guys put me on the stage. Ah, ladies and gentlemen, we have Saif Ali Khan. Wah! We have Preeti Zinta. We have Sushmita Sen. They were good stars at the time. We have to write down. तुमने सोचा yeah
Because he was expecting them to be wow. अच्छा ठीक है.
ठीक है ना मैं क्या बड़ी
गुड तो अभी वो खड़े सब
That's
लोग
hilarious.
सो ऑन द फोन इज अक्षय कुमार
Oh
बताओ.
yes, Abu.
क्या हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है
I'm not allowed.
क्या हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है
in
क्या हो
country.
रहा है somebody said now he wants somebody to set me on fire but it's not my fault set me on the fire means शो बंद हो जाए गालियां दे लोग टमाटर फेंके ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ कोई उठा ही नहीं जब मैंने बोला अक्षय कुमार इज नॉट देयर टुनाइट आई एम सॉरी बट द शो इज गोइंग टू बी फैंटास्टिक यू आर गोइंग टू हैव सच अ गुड टाइम नाउ यू से कि हाउ विल द आइटम्स ऑफ अक्षय कुमार बी वर्कड आउट देयर लॉट तो चीज बड़ी है मस्त इज डांसिंग विद द डांसर्स सो आई हैड केप्ट अ गाय ऑलवेज विद मी ही इज कॉल्ड अभिजीत हिज नेम इज अभिजीत तो ऑल द डांसर्स द सेम एक्ट्स द सेम एवरीथिंग will happen. Whenever Akshay Kumar's act used to come on the chart, this guy used to come and dance on all the songs. And public is that. They say
No, but Akshay had certain acts with like the actresses. Okay, so Saif did those acts, but he wore a ganji that said Akshay. $100 का ticket.
One second, that's how we do reels nowadays.
And the show was super hit. You know? And I got the money back. He paid his money back. He had taken $100,000 for the show. He gave the money back. And we refunded it to the Dallas promoter. Okay, you take it. So everybody, all the parties were happy. And we managed to get out of there next morning to fly to London for a show.
You've also been to Big Boss.
Yeah.
And can you tell us a little bit, like, what is it like to be inside the house?
It's a beautiful experience. Actually, when I went into Big Boss, somebody called me up in the house. एक मराठी गाना है गाने क्या आप गाओगे मैंने बोला लैंग्वेज इतनी अच्छी तरह नहीं आती मगर आप सिखा दो कि तो गा दूंगा तो आई वेंट टू द रिकॉर्डिंग हॉल ड्रेस्ड अप विद अ कैप गॉडी जैकेट एंड टिपिकल जैसा मैं पहनता था बचपन से ऐसा ही हूँ मैं सो डोंट बिलीव क्या मैं आई वेंट एंड सैंग तो while the song was something some people want bungalows some people want gold some people want diamonds and I had to say नहीं पाइजे मला नहीं पाइजे and all along I kept on saying मुझे पाइजे था यार पाइजे नहीं पाइजे anyway there was this guy standing there and he watched me बोला who's this guy so he said this guy is a music director family and his Anu's brother yeah it looks like him let's put him into Big Boss that was their angle actually
You were just singing that on the road.
no on the mic
अच्छा हाँ.
नहीं पाइजे रोड पे बोलेगा तो रोड पे तो मांगना चाहिए लाओ दो तो anyway I went so I went to they came to my house they gave me an interview was there so there were one girl and two guys and they spoke to me so I said just tell me why you didn't take me if you don't choose me and I forgot about the matter I went home after a few days a contract came then few people with masks they wear masks You can't see them. They're
They don't
black
want to show
clothes they
their
wear.
face in public.
They wear masks and they come into your house and they pack your bag. Still then.
What?
Yeah. And you're not
ये
allowed. They
पक्का
carry
बिग बॉस
bags.
वाले थे ना कि कोई चोरी घुस गए भाई
Yeah, we work for Big Boss.
अच्छा
yeah, yeah.
अगर
We
आप
work for
पूछो
Big Boss and-
आपका मुंह देखे
हमको 25
तो
लाख
मुंह नहीं
रुपए
देखते
चाहिए।
Wait,
अच्छा।
what? For real? The people
Real,
with
real,
masks
real.
come to your house and
6,
pack your
7
bags?
people came all wearing masks and they were going through each and every trouser. वो जो नीचे फोल्ड होती है ना कि कहीं पेपर या कोई पेन रखा नहीं है कुछ ऐसा नहीं है वो सब they check up everything and they don't speak. They don't speak. And the contract says that till you are inside the house, you're not inside the house.
एक मिनट
You know,
अंकल आप
so-
बिग बॉस में थे कि स्क्विड गेम पे
But then Squid Game there. It was exactly. Then they have mask cars. अच्छा उसके बाद then you are taking you there. Even now I'm not sure I'm in the house. Then my bags have gone. My contract has been signed. I made one mistake. I asked them for a lot of money. I used to analyze कि मैं एक दिन काम करूँगा तो 2 लाख रुपया बनता है तो हर दिन काम करूँगा तो 2 लाख को मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर बट आई डिडंट राइट इन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कि यार मिनिमम स्टे कितना होना चाहिए अगर मिनिमम स्टे लिख देता मेरी लाइफ बन जाती है तो जो अन्नू मलिक का चक्कर है ना वो गड़बड़ भी बेटर हो दैट वन गेम वुड हैव बीन बेटर फॉर मी
But you can write minimum.
नहीं आई कैन अरे हम लोग कुछ अकॉर्डिंग टू सलमान आई कुड हैव डन एनीथिंग दे वर बेगिंग फॉर मी टू गेट दिस साइड
They were groveling.
दैट वाज या दे वर ग्राउलिंग anyway a mask car comes with masks everything and I'm driven to Film City. There again, a hood is put on my head.
What?
So that because there are people captured, the press is always there around Big Boss if you notice. So they put out and I get into my this. I don't know who's coming into the house. So the first night I'm getting into the house after the stage show and I have come to know that I'm going to sleep on a bed. First time Big Boss has decided there'll be a couple's bed, a man and a woman. Now I'm scared shit. I have a wife back home, young children, and the bed is small. I'm going to really cuddle up with that woman. You know, I'm scared shit. Her name was Daljeet, as tall as me. You know, good looking, nice, classy looking woman. And she said,
मम्मी है घर पर
मम्मी घर में
I
तो
suddenly,
मैं डर गया मैं उसको देख के डर गया तो मैंने बोला देख जल्दी मैं इस बिस्तर पे सोऊंगा बोले इफ यू डोंट स्लीप आई विल बी आउट ऑफ द हाउस शी इज टेलिंग मी एंड शी वाज एक्चुअली आउट ऑफ द हाउस इन द फर्स्ट वीक शी वेंट आउट ऑफ द हाउस दे थ्रू आउट तो मैंने बोला नहीं यार दलजीत मैं नहीं सो सकता मेरे को एक तो कडल करने की आदत है मैं तो तकिया समझो रात में लिपटा हूँ बोले इट्स ओके विद मी मैंने बोला नॉट ओके विद मी नॉट ओके विद मी तो मैंने क्या किया वो दरवाज़ा खोला जो मेन है ना बेडरूम इज सेपरेट एंड द हॉल इज सेपरेट और हॉल में कंबल डाल के मैं सो गया एंड थ्रू आउट माई स्टे फॉर 4 weeks देयर आई वॉज इन द हॉल सिटिंग देयर एंड देयर इज नो स्क्रिप्ट देयर इज नथिंग देयर आर 16 people देयर आर 2 toilets
That's it.
there's
Only two?
limited there's 2 toilets and there are limited food and then you start the stress starts building up
it does, huh? Probably.
oh yes the stress starts और खाने में
What is the most stressful thing that happens?
actually it doesn't begin in the first 2-3 weeks so I'm going to get to phase all that but as you go then you start quarreling small you start getting angry then teams become you start liking some people you start hating some people there's no reason for it
There's no reason.
there's no reason you just don't like somebody it's like you're sitting
Big
together
Boss there's no reason for it
there's no reason.
You have perfectly described Twitter also.
So anyway, I enjoyed my stay and I met some great. Siddharth was a very good friend of mine.
The one who
Shehnaz,
passed.
One who passed away. And Shehnaz, Asim was not because he hated me because I liked Siddharth. And Siddharth used to tell me about Shehnaz and Asim is, Asim did not know who Hitler was.
What?
This Siddharth nudges me and says, what a bloody idiot here, look at him. Then what about Shehnaz? Well, if this guy doesn't know who Hitler is, she doesn't know where Germany is. So now you want me to be attached with them. I'm telling you, he's like it's a good relationship. Good. It's like that. So it's a fun place. I enjoyed my stay. And I can say that वो गलतियाँ जो करती थी बिगनिंग में नहीं तो बिलियनर होता मैं
Amazing.
अंकल आपके पास एक लास्ट वाली स्टोरी थी जो आपने गोविंदा की बोली थी
हाँ गोविंदा there was this actor whom you like very much nowadays called
he
Krishna.
used to be big
Krishna. Now Krishna's father was married to Govinda's sister. Govinda's sister was married to Krishna's father, Nayyar Saab. And they were in real bad. Krishna was a little boy. And then one fine day, this guy's films became very big and he was a big actor. And he was like, I'm a street dancer! वो जो गाने वाने बने थे, yeah, big. Govinda had become a big star at that time. So he said कि तुम एक शो कर लो, तुमसे पैसा बन जाएगा. बहनोई था ना कि शो कर लो, तो उन्होंने एक शो लगाया एक जगह पे पूसड़. पूसड़ इज इन महाराष्ट्र, a small place.
Actual place?
Pusad.
Pusad?
P-U-S-U-R-D. Pusad.
So you really
And then he asked me.
considered changing the name.
Then I was a top guy. Dancers and choreography and musicians were always with me. I was used bungalow on the beach, and everybody used to rehearse. आप कर दोगे बना मैं ज़रूर कर दूँगा. Because Govinda was doing a film for me, so I said I'll do it for you. No problem. I'll do it free for you. So we all landed up in Pusad. Pusad में
I
शाम
keep
को
saying it, हाँ, मजा आता है.
पूसड़ ना पूसड़ में ऑडियंस कितना पूरा गांव शहर टाउन 15,000 थे या 20,000 थे या 50,000 जितने भी थे सब आ गए उस ग्राउंड में उन्होंने
पूसड़
साउंड
तो आपको
लगाया
छोड़ा
था
नहीं है, वो थे।
वो स्टेज लकड़ी का था, कपड़ा लगा था ऊपर और मेरे डांसर्स पीछे चेंज कर रहे थे ना. गोविंदा इज गोइंग टू कम, गोविंदा एंड माय यंगर ब्रदर डब्बू वाज विद मी, डब्बू मलिक. वी हैव 3 brothers, अन्नू, अब्बू, डब्बू. द यंगेस्ट बॉय वाज डब्बू. So Dabbu was also with it. Dabbu used to look like Govinda. Short, smart, sweet looking, different than me and Anu. We were different. We are descendant of Genghis Khan directly, you know. I'm a direct descendant of, that's why I cover my eyes. I've got beady eyes like Genghis Khan. So I'm a
adopted.
direct descendant of Genghis Khan. So anyway, when Dabbu, now he's saying, Govinda का है, Govinda का orchestra चालू हो गया. सब म्यूजिक गाने डांस गाने वाने हो रहे. उस वक्त स्क्रीन व्रीन नहीं थे. हाँ, इन 90 देवर दो बिग स्क्रीन ऑन स्टेज. तो गाने वाने हो रहे हैं, सब लोग सुन रहे हैं. गोविंदा गोविंदा इज गोइंग टू कम, गोविंदा आने वाला है, गोविंदा आला रे. आई हैड टू कीप ऑन अनाउंसिंग. पर गोविंदा का है नहीं आया. क्यों, क्या होगा? गोविंदा का नैयर साहब इज हैंगिंग अराउंड. उन्होंने अपने जो पैसे बना लिए तो बना लिए उन्होंने जितने पैसे उनको मिलने ले लिए. अरे आप करते जाओ ना, डोंट वरी. अरे करते जाओ, 15,000 आदमी आग लगा देंगे यहाँ, मार देंगे मेरे को. तो नहीं कुछ भी आएगा. मैंने हेलीकॉप्टर भेजा उसके लिए. ना हेलीकॉप्टर गोइंग टू कम टू पूसड़. अच्छा हेलीकॉप्टर में वेरी गुड. उतरेगा कहाँ? बाय नाउ आई रियलाइज,
उतरेगा कहाँ?
बाय नाउ आई रियलाइज कि गोविंदा इज नॉट कमिंग. नाउ दिस इज अगेन सेम स्टोरी ऑफ 2005 it playing out in 1995, 10 years before.
Except Govinda's not working out.
Huh? now I'm sure Govinda is not there. तो अभी क्या करूं? तो looking around, तो I turned by, I saw my brother standing there, Dabbu Malik. I said, Dabbu, come here. Get dressed in Govinda's shiny, dancer से shiny costume लिया. We didn't have a shiny costume. So wear a shiny shirt, wear a pant, and then come and dance on all the tracks of Govinda. So Dabbu with the dancers, and ladies and gentlemen, Govinda! And Dabbu's like, I'm a street dancer! And I've kept a bus standing behind. कि जैसे इसकी एंट्री खत्म हुए, गुड नाइट बोल के बस में घुस के भागो इधर से. And we actually did that. Wow. So then Shahrukh one day went, are you going to do a show in which I'm not there? Please, Shahrukh Kumar है. मैं it's quite possible. Because तेरे डुप्लीकेट इतने हैं, किसी को खड़ा कर दूंगा. मैं अपना पैसा बना लूंगा, तू जा लेगा.
Basically, any star calls and uncle is like, nahi pahiye, nahi pahiye.
That's it from this episode of Makasam. New episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at tismakasam@gmail.com.